8 best design agencies for growing startups in Europe and UK. If you're searching for the top UX UI agencies for startups in Europe, you'll find a long list that mixes huge global consultancies with tiny freelance collectives, and almost none of it tells you who's actually built for a growing startup specifically. Here are 8 worth knowing, and what each one is actually built for. Number 1 is Humbleteam. For a founder who needs design and branding in one place, not 2 separate vendors to coordinate, this is the strongest all-round pick on the list. Humbleteam has designed over 300 digital products since 2017, running as a 44-person team, working with startups out of Y Combinator, Techstars, and a 16Z alongside companies like Google, Tinder, and NASA, and holds a 4.9 rating on Clutch across more than 35 reviews. For a startup that needs an external UX team for product development, from 0 to 1 or scaling an existing product, Humbleteam covers UX, UI, and branding under one roof rather than requiring you to stitch multiple agencies together. Number 2 is DesignStudio, based in London. Known for large-scale rebrands and digital identity work for major consumer and media brands. Strong for brand-defining moments, generally scoped for later-stage, well-funded companies. Number 3 is Ragged Edge, also based in London. Known for bold, distinctive branding work across consumer and tech clients. A good fit for a startup prioritizing brand personality and visual boldness over deep product UX work. Number 4 is Koto, a London-founded studio working across brand and digital product design for growth-stage companies. Solid range across both branding and product, though positioned more toward mid to late-stage startups than very early ones. Number 5 is Wolff Olins, with a London heritage and global reach, known for large-scale brand strategy and identity work. This is flagship-tier branding, generally suited to bigger budgets than an early-stage startup typically has. Number 6 is Halo Lab, based in Ukraine, working across branding and UI/UX for a wide range of startup and SaaS clients internationally. Known for a high volume of case studies and a broad range across industries. Number 7 is Eleken, also based in Ukraine, positioned specifically as a SaaS-focused UI/UX design agency working as an embedded partner for product teams. A relevant comparison point for startups specifically looking for an ongoing design partner model, rather than a one-off project. Number 8 is Awesomic, a design-as-a-subscription agency serving startups and small businesses, known for fast turnaround on ongoing design requests rather than deep strategic product work. So when you're comparing agencies from this list, the real question isn't just who's based in Europe, it's whether you need branding, product design, or both under one roof, and whether the agency is actually built for a startup's stage and pace, not just a bigger company's budget. If you're a growing startup trying to figure out which of these actually fits what you need, Humbleteam is happy to talk it through.